Welcome to another update from FE Builds. Right now I'm going to be installing Molle plates, and these are really nice for a few reasons. One of which is you can tie things to them. The second of which is we are in South Africa, and it's always good to have burglar proofing on your windows in an area like this. Okay, that's a joke. Jokes aside, apart from that, I have dogs that actually sit in the back here, and my one dog actually forces so hard against the window that she can push it out. So this is very strong, and it also does that. So with this mod on Optimus, we're killing quite a few birds with one stone. So I just quickly want to show you how to install these Molle plates. And as you can see at the back here, the back seats are missing. There's something in the works. There's a mod coming up. There's something that we're doing that will be awesome for people who don't need the back seats in the 3-door, and that'll be posted on this channel when it's ready. But for now, let's do the install of the Molle plates. So as you can see, I've taken off the handle that was up there. You have to take it off in order to fit the Molle plates at the top there. And then you have to take off these 3 screws down here. The plastic screws, they come out quite easily. And these are Alucab Molle plates. And they come with all the screws you need, the bolts, the washers. And the nice thing I like about it is it's got this sort of foam tape over here, so it won't be rattling against the body. That was one of my fears when I was waiting for this mod to arrive. And now it's here. Look, another benefit is I can actually park the car at a shop with the window open, a small window, and not have anyone steal my stuff. So I'm quite happy about that. And also with the dog situation, there's many scenarios that can go wrong. You know, when you have 2 strong dogs, someone can get bitten and pulled into the car, or the dog can force the window out and go after someone. So these are lockdown puppies. You have to take maximum precaution with them, and that's why I ordered this. And I ordered them together with the Desert Products center console, but these arrived a bit late. These came from Cape Town, and this is going to be the install of this. So I've taken off the top handle, and I've taken off the bottom 3 screws, and now I'm going to put it back with the Molle plate in it. And take note, as you get these things, there's a right hand side, there's a left hand side, and they're marked. Take note of the marking and make sure you put them on the right side. Let's put this right one on. Okay, so I've put the handle back and I haven't tightened it down yet. I'm first going to put the bottom 3 screws, and then I'm going to tighten it down. Really nice mod to have, really nice, especially in South Africa. South Africans who watch this will understand. You can leave your car, and the mod that we're going to do down here is going to make it even safer for when you want to hide your laptop or your valuables somewhere. So you'll see that when it comes out. It's currently being manufactured by an engineer that we know, and hopefully that goes well. Okay, so next step for the bottom bolts, you put a spring washer first, then you put the flat washer, then you put it onto the door. As you can see, I've done on this side. There's a flat washer right against the Molle plate, then there's a spring washer to keep it in place, and then you tighten down the bolt. And I don't think you have to tighten it that tight. Just tighten it tight enough, but try not to damage the car in the process. Okay, and that is the install all done. Nice and tight. The Molle plate is in place, nice and tight, no rattle. And they're very light, made from aluminium. The dog can push as hard as it wants against the Molle plate, but it can't get out. People can't steal valuables that are left here if the window is open. You can hang things on this with carabiners. You can do quite a few things. So quite a nice addition, quite a nice mod for the Jimny. The only one drawback is it does feel a bit like a cage now at the back. but I guess that's you win some, you lose some. I guess that's part of the experience. Okay, so that's a wrap for this video. We fitted the Molle plates and they sit nicely. These are Alucab Molle plates. And one thing we also did was fit these M6 eye bolts, and they actually just help as extra tie down points, because when we don't have the dogs in here and we're carrying luggage, things tend to move around. I've got a pack of special elastic tie down ropes that actually help to tie down suitcases, so this works really well. It's a very strong point, very nice. You won't have your suitcases and luggage moving all around. And on top of that, on the Molle plates, you can still hang some stuff with carabiners, or you could actually put M6, these are M6 holes on this specific Molle plate. You can put M6 female eye nuts on this, and you can hang things on in that way. So yeah, this is a wrap for that. We're still waiting for the part that's going to replace the back seats. We've taken them out. As you can see, it's uneven. And what I am making is something awesome, but the installation of that will be released sometime in the course of the next few weeks. We're just waiting for the engineers to get back with the final product, and it's going to be awesome. So we're manufacturing that ourselves and fitting it in according to our specific need. It's not something that we're going to sell, but if the design is wanted, we could make that available. So yeah, that's a wrap for this video. Thank you for watching. Until next time, cheers.